Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Seekers. Today's recipe is Phool Makhana Curry. This is a North Indian dish with cashew nuts and makhanas cooked in a creamy onion and tomato based gravy. For those of you who are not familiar with makhanas, these look like little white balls. They are basically puffed lotus seeds. They are highly nutritious and very low in carbs, which makes them perfect for diabetics or people who are on a low-carb diet. They are easily available at your nearby Indian or Asian groceries. For this recipe, we have to start with the makhanas. Dry roast them on a medium to high heat until they are crispy. Keep stirring them frequently. Once they are done, remove them from the pan and keep them aside. Now in the same pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and fry about half cup of cashews till they are golden brown. You can take more or less depending on your taste. Once the cashews are brown, remove them from the pan and set aside. Now into the same pan, add about 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 medium onion that's been roughly chopped. Saute them till the onions are translucent. Once the onions change color, remove them from the pan. Next goes in 2 medium tomatoes that has been roughly chopped, along with 4 to 5 garlic pods and 1-inch piece ginger that has been roughly chopped. Saute them till the onions are soft and pulpy. Once the tomatoes are soft, remove them from the pan. Grind the sauteed onion and tomato mix to a fine paste. Again, using the same pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, the tomato onion paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix them all well and saute them on a medium heat till the masala is well cooked. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep it covered since the masala base is going to splatter everywhere. Next, add in about half cup of milk or cream. I have used milk here, but you can always go ahead with cream. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of cashew nut paste. For this, you need to take about 15 to 20 cashews, soak them in water for 5 to 6 hours and grind them with milk. Now give it a stir until everything is well combined. Next, add half cup of water. You might need more water since the cashew nut paste is going to thicken the gravy. So add water as per the consistency you like. Next, you can add in your roasted makhanas and the fried cashew nuts. Mix everything well and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes till the makhanas become soft. Keep stirring in between. Now we can see that the gravy has thickened and the makhanas have become soft. Now we can add in half teaspoon of garam masala and salt and mix everything in. Finally, add about 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi, that's dry fenugreek leaves. Crush it between the palms before adding it in. Kasoori methi adds an amazing flavor to the gravy. Simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. Our rich, creamy, delicious Kaju Makhana Curry is ready. I'm sure your family will enjoy it. Just deliver it to the table with some roti or naan, or serve it as a side dish to your rice. Hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. See you next time with another dish. Until then, take care and bye-bye.